The deep sea is the largest habitat on Earth, covering over 60% of the planet's surface. It is also the least explored and understood habitat. The deep sea is incredibly dark, with no natural light penetrating beyond the uppermost layer of water. Most creatures living in the deep sea are adapted to living in complete darkness. The deepest part of the ocean is the Mariana Trench, which reaches a depth of over 36,000 feet, 11,000 meters. The pressure in the deep sea can be so intense that it can crush even the strongest submarines. Despite the harsh conditions, some deep-sea creatures are able to live for hundreds of years, such as the Greenland shark and the quahog clam. The deep sea is home to hydrothermal vents, which are hot springs on the ocean floor that support unique communities of organisms that are not found anywhere else on Earth. Some deep-sea creatures are able to emit light through a process called bioluminescence, which they use to attract prey, communicate with each other, or defend themselves. The deep sea is not completely silent, as some creatures are able to produce sound waves to communicate or navigate. The deep sea is a source of inspiration for many scientists and engineers who are trying to develop new technologies, such as underwater robots or materials that can withstand extreme pressure. The deep sea is an important buffer against climate change, as it absorbs a significant amount of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The deep sea is home to a variety of strange and fascinating creatures, such as the giant isopod, the fang-toothed fish, and the Dumbo octopus. Many deep-sea creatures have evolved unusual adaptations to help them survive, such as transparent skin, enlarged jaws, or bioluminescent lures. The deep sea is home to a diverse array of microbes, which play a crucial role in maintaining the health of the entire ocean ecosystem. The deep sea is also a source of new medicines, as some deep-sea creatures produce compounds that have anti-cancer or anti-inflammatory properties. Some deep-sea creatures are able to survive in complete darkness by using chemosynthesis, a process that allows them to extract energy from chemicals rather than sunlight. The deep sea is also home to vast fields of methane hydrates, a potential source of natural gas that could help to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. The deep sea is home to a variety of shipwrecks and other underwater artifacts that have been preserved for centuries or even millennia. The deep sea is also a popular destination for underwater tourism, as many people are fascinated by the mysterious and otherworldly creatures that live there. The deep sea is subject to many threats, including overfishing, pollution, and climate change, which could have devastating consequences for both marine life and human society. The deep sea is also a rich source of cultural and historical heritage, as it contains many sites of archaeological and historical significance. Finally, the deep sea represents one of the greatest frontiers of human exploration, as we continue to discover new species, ecosystems, and geological features that have never been seen before. The deep sea is also affected by climate change, with rising temperatures and ocean acidification threatening to disrupt the delicate balance of life in this habitat. Advances in technology are allowing scientists to explore the deep sea like never before, including remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, and deep-sea submersibles. Despite our limited knowledge of the deep sea, it is clear that this mysterious habitat is home to a rich and diverse array of life, and it is essential that we work to protect it for future generations.